Hello everybody, welcome to my video. Today's video, may magtatanong sa akin about sa akong life. Isa hindi lang siya magpakita. So, let's do it.
When did you become a Christian?
Bata pa lang ako, Christian kasi yung parents ko, si mama and papa, Christian na sila. So, dinadala na nila ako dun sa church. So, bata pa lang ako, Christian ako. And then, 12 years old, ako nabautismuhan.
How did you do that you feel closer to God?
Prayer is the number one. Feel closer to God. Number one is prayer every day. Ako, nagpe-pray ako morning and afternoon. Bible study, of course. Going to church kasi dyan ka maka-learn. Going to church, listen, reading the book, reading the Bible. Yan. Tapos kailangan mo talaga i-ask kay God din. Not just in your own knowledge, your own wisdom. Faithful kay God, true follower kay Jesus.
How you feel that Holy Spirit is in you?
Holy Spirit. Ma-feel na ako kasi ang Holy Spirit kasi He is my protector. Naaang peace, joy, love, and self-control. Yan ang the fruit of the Holy Spirit. Pero alam ko kasi pag ang Holy Spirit na guide sa akin kasi yung minsan may mga time na kailangan ko yung mga time na minsan pupunta ako doon, tapos may sa akin na huwag kang pupunta doon, hindi yan for God's kingdom, hindi yan for glorifying God, that's for worldly thing. So, I think that's the Holy Spirit telling me not to do it.
Okay. What is the meaning of Christian woman for you?
Christian woman for me is faithful, matakotin kay God. Tapos, minsan din, makita ko sa dawi sila magsalita, dawi sila magsuot ng mga damit. Pero sa ibang mga religion, wala yan. Pero ako kasi nag-grow up ako ng yung strict. Kailangan hindi susuot ng short shirt. Kailangan talaga long dress. Kasi temptation kasi yung mga short.
What are the verses you know in the Bible?
So first, I remember when I was a kid, Psalms 23, 1 to 6, and then John 3:16, and Jeremiah 29:11.